Roland, universal asset access is the idea where investors can buy and sell their assets at any time of day, any day of the week. How close are we to making that a reality?
Closer than what people think, I think. When you look at the suitability concepts that are being embedded today in the new regulations that are happening in the EU, in the UK, in Singapore, we're moving away from this threshold concept where you can only invest based on your assets and more invest based on your capabilities and the suitabilities of the products.
We heard a lot about tokenization and digitization last year. So how far have we advanced from 2025, and where do you see us going in 2026?
2026 is really the stepping stone to making this a more standard. It will take time because we're transforming the entire ecosystem of the investment management framework, if you will. Think about laying out new highways for everyone, including private markets. And that's going to take a few years, but this is the year where it's going to accelerate.
And of course, regulatory changes have to keep up with product innovation and vice versa. So how does PwC help clients who are rolling out new products, help them get through the regulatory process?
The regulators in general are being more open to helping this, right? They want to support innovation. They want to protect the investor outcomes. And if we keep, as in an investment management industry, the investor outcomes at the heart of what we're doing, the regulators will be supportive of the trajectory and the innovation that's happening.
And everyone's looking for scalability. And that's the driver of a lot of M&A, at least it was in 2025. Can you comment on that with regard to 2026?
It's going to continue because it's scalability to address the complexity of the business. The business is getting more and more complex with more asset classes, more segments to go after. These clients need to do a choice between what do they build in-house, what do they buy, and what do they partner with in order to address that broader landscape that they're in front of them. M&A will definitely continue to help, so will partnerships and ecosystem plays.
Let's be a little bit more specific. Where do you see M&A and deal making with regard to asset management in 2026? What's going to drive it?
It will continue the need to add more capabilities, add more asset classes, add more active ETFs, private markets, or access to end investors. Those key strategic capabilities, the asset managers will keep on hunting for in an M&A because the pace to get to scale there is much faster than building them organically.
And then finally, if there's going to be something that throws off your outlook over the course of 2026, what's it going to be?
I think it's massive geopolitical upheaval, getting people to, because it's a global industry. So that may trigger some retrenchment in investments. But outside of that, the trajectory is clear for the industry.
All right. Well, thanks for coming on and talking about it.
Thank you so much.